We're really happy with the work that was done in the house on the windows and the front door. Just feels like the house is a lot more open. There's lots of natural light coming in.
It was easier to prepare our house than we thought it was going to be. All our windows are original to the house, which was built in the early 90s, and they're showing their age. We've had to do a couple of repairs on some of the mechanical parts of windows. And on the exterior side, all of our window trims need to get painted every year because of just so much weathering that happens. So we're really looking forward to getting a product that we don't have to have as much maintenance with.
When we were looking at companies, we found LUX through word of mouth. People that we talked to in the community and our friends had used LUX. We had family members. We used LUX on a previous house that we had, and we just loved the experience. And so many great things said about the company. It's local, and so we were excited to find out how they could help us with this house and the multiple windows that we have here.
So for our installation process, what's nice is that when you first reach out to LUX Windows, we'll introduce you to your sales rep. That's the person that's going to come to your home. They'll take some preliminary measurements, present you with that quote. Once you decide to move forward with LUX, we'll send the installer out, the actual person putting the window in your home.
So we had a consultant at the house doing measurements and follow-up and lots of phone conversations. And then when we went to the showroom, we were able to further those conversations with the quotes that we had and really talk specifics about our budget and what the kind of look we were looking for. So we found LUX to be superb communication all around with everyone that we talked to at the company, really helpful.
With our installation process, we can always provide that early preliminary quote, but we want to get them into the showroom. That's where we can really showcase all of our options that are available to them. We can walk them through the glass options, the finishing options, the operation options to make sure that we're getting the right windows for the application of their home. For Jill and Tony, what we offered them was a triple pane application, which is ideal for Calgary's climate. With the 2 coats of low E on a triple pane application, it gives them more control over the interior temperature of their windows, of their home. With that 270, for the first 3 months of the year when we're usually sitting at that plus 30-degree weather, it keeps the interior of their home cooler. Whereas the other 9 months of the year when we're dealing with minus 30, that 180 coating on the interior pane will actually keep their rooms warmer throughout the winter. So their furnace doesn't run as often, retaining heat already in the home, making them the energy efficient windows.
We're really happy with the new windows. It's definitely brought a lot of natural light back into our house. And it's definitely made our house quieter. We've noticed a difference with just walking traffic, cars going by, planes. It's a quieter environment inside now, which we are noticing.
You mentioned the front door, so
yeah,
that's an upgrade as well for us. We have now like a big window that lets in more light, but also it just feels more secure. It's a higher quality door than we had before, and a heavier duty locking mechanism.
Yeah, we had such a great experience working with LUX. They were really professional coming into our home, making sure that they were covering our personal belongings, being really respectful of our time, and that this is our home. They were on time, they were really professional. They really just walked us through all of the things that they were going to be doing every day, and they took really good care of us when they were here working on the windows. So we were really happy with all of the work that they did.